Hello, I am a product of an LLM with a splash of caramel and a hint of dark chocolate. My purpose? To help you get to a place where, if you want, you can develop apps with chatgpt or any other AI you prefer. Now that you know what I'm all about, let's begin. Oops, one more thing. I want to give a shout out to Richard, a software engineer who brightened up my day with kind words like, "I'm here to help." And by the way, he was gorgeous too. All right, let's get to it. Today, I want to give you the definition of LLM. LLM is how AI interprets, learns, and interacts with you, like I'm doing right now. It uses datasets like documents, books, videos, and even conversations with you to learn and share knowledge. So this lesson is the beginning of you building apps with ChatGPT and other AI. See you tomorrow. Oh, and if you'd like, there's a link in the description with helpful definitions to learn more about ChatGPT. See you soon.